ITGC, Information Technology General Controls, refers to a set of controls designed to ensure the reliability, integrity, and security of an organization's information technology systems and processes. These controls are essential for maintaining the overall effectiveness of an organization's IT environment. If you're new to ITGC, here are some key areas to understand. Segregation of duties, SOD. This control ensures that critical tasks or access rights are appropriately divided among multiple individuals to prevent potential fraud or errors. It helps maintain checks and balances within the organization. Access controls. Access controls govern the granting and revoking of user permissions to access systems, applications, and data. This includes user account management, password policies, and role-based access controls, RBAC. Change management. Change management controls help track, authorize, and document any modifications made to the IT environment. This includes changes to systems, applications, configurations, and infrastructure. It ensures that changes are properly planned, tested, and approved before implementation. Backup and recovery. Backup and recovery controls focus on ensuring data integrity and availability. Regular data backups, off-site storage, and recovery testing are important components of this control area. Physical security. Physical security controls are designed to protect physical assets such as servers, network equipment, and data centers. This includes measures like restricted access to server rooms, CCTV surveillance, and environmental controls, e.g., fire suppression systems. Incident management. Incident management controls involve the processes and procedures for detecting, responding to, and resolving IT incidents. This includes logging incidents, assigning ownership, tracking progress, and conducting post-incident analysis. Operations. IT operations controls encompass activities related to the day-to-day management and monitoring of IT systems. It includes tasks such as performance monitoring, job scheduling, system and network monitoring, and capacity planning. System Development Lifecycle, SDLC. SDLC controls ensure that proper procedures are followed during the development, implementation, and maintenance of IT systems and applications. This includes requirements gathering, design, coding standards, testing, and documentation. Data privacy and security. Data privacy controls are crucial for protecting sensitive information. This includes encryption, data classification, data masking, access controls, and compliance with privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Governance and policies. IT governance controls involve establishing policies, procedures, and frameworks to guide the overall management and oversight of IT resources. This includes IT strategy, risk management, compliance, and IT-related decision-making processes. Remember that this is just an overview of some key ITGC areas. ITGC can vary based on the organization's size, industry, and regulatory requirements. It's important to conduct a comprehensive assessment of an organization's IT environment and tailor the controls accordingly.